Shouting in my house, and I'm like, let me flame!
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone.
Hi guys, good morning. It's 11:45 right now. I just woke up 15 minutes back at 11:30, around 11:30, and I know everything is so messed up. My schedule is so messed up because of this quarantine thing, and I really need to start waking up early because when everything is back to normal, I need to go to work, and if this thing continues, I'll start waking up late for my work as well. So yes, I see I have to sort my schedule. So yeah, I am hungry, you guys, and I really need to eat something. Today I just have a cup of tea and something to eat, but then today we cannot have a cup of tea because we cannot have dairy products. So let's see how it goes. I am maybe I'll just skip tea, or I'll have black tea, ginger tea, lemon tea, something like that. And to eat, we are going to cook chilas, or Marathi mein we call it besan za poda, if you all know. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I've never cooked, you guys. I am going to do it for the first time. I've just just helped my mom here and there with few things, but then never really cooked. Let's see how it goes, you guys, and I hope it is good because I'm so hungry and I really need something tasty to eat. So let's see and let's go.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me.
Yes, hi guys, I am back and I'm all fresh now. I took a bath as well. And the lunch for today is ta-da! It's, can you see it? Wait. So it is tikhi dal, rice and pickle. That's all I'm going to have for lunch. And the dal smells so good, you guys. I am really hungry because of the khushbu. So let's eat fast and see how is it. And yeah.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been.
Hi guys, I had my lunch and it was so yummy. I'm so full now. I think I had a lot of dal rice, ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा. So I'm just here. I'll be taking a walk in my passage itself. And yeah, after that I probably just edit more and watch Netflix. Guys, so I'm back and I went to sleep while watching Netflix for like half an hour. And yeah, I just woke up. I need a tea or coffee. I think I made a tea in the morning. The black tea, right? Masala black tea. That's my brother. Yeah. So I like the tea I made in the morning. So I think I'm going to have same thing. Stop! Dosa batter. I am thinking of having dosa today. I think I'll have dosa with some tea, some black tea, and yeah, let's just prepare for that. And once that's done, I'll let you know what I'll do next. I'll just freshen up and I'll just get ready just to look organized a little. So that's the plan. After that, let's see what we have to do.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me.
So yes guys, that's done. For the people who are thinking I've spent a little too much, yes I did, because I am thinking of filming a video for Instagram. And if you are not following me on Instagram, I'll link my account in the description. Please check it out.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me.
guys, good morning. So it's the next day. It's 11:40 now, and I woke up around 11 o'clock. I have a conference call at 12. So I woke up early today, and I mean I woke up at 11. Took a bath. I am done with most of my stuffs. Now I'll eat. So for now for breakfast, I'm only eating apples. You can see. So I'm only eating apples for breakfast, and then I'll have my lunch early today. So yes, that's my plan now. After these apples, I think I'll have black coffee or black tea again. Black coffee or black tea again. I'll see. So yes, that was my vegan vlog, you guys. How do you like it? I mean, it ends here. I completed my 24 hours eating vegan food. But then, guys, I wanted to say that हम बस vegan बोलते हैं, but then our Indian food is vegan actually. So our dal rice, our bhaji chapati is vegan. मतलब meat and dairy products छोड़े तो everything is vegan, right? We do not have to do much. We just have to skip this thing. We just have to stop having what ghee or dairy products, anything like that, right? Or meat. So अभी तो वैसे भी quarantine, most of us are not having meat. I think I am not having meat in quarantine because we are not going out. So whatever we have at home, we are having that, or we are having vegetables because vegetable is easy access for me. So I was telling you that everything is easy. Like human has harmed our nature, our environment, our animals around us a lot, you guys. And me, we can stop it actually, because these are the things humans started, and human can stop it too. It's not that difficult. I did not have milk for one day. I mean मेरा रोज़ का नाश्ता होता था घी वाली रोटी एंड चाय, दूध वाली चाय. So I skipped that. I have milk. I did not have ghee. So हो सकता है यार, we can do it. So it is not that difficult. That's all I wanted to say. Yeah, that's it. And I hope you liked today's video because this is my first vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. I know the vlog is haywire, but then yes, I tried, and I promise I'll keep on growing and learning new things. So that's a promise, and I'll definitely will work on it. Let me know if you like this video in the comment box below, and like the video if you had fun watching it. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, bye bye, take care.